Once you log in to the Sindecuse Health Center patient portal, the first thing you must do before you are able to book your appointment is complete the required compliances. Those will be found under the Forms tab on the left-hand side of the screen. As you can see, I am not started. I'm just going to go ahead and click on those forms, and then one by one, I'm going to click Update and go through the form itself. So first, authorization for electronic signatures. Go ahead and read what you need to, click Agree, and submit Final. Then click Proceed. Next, we'll go ahead and go to the HIPAA Notice of Privacy Practices. Same thing, read what we need to, click I acknowledge, submit Final, and Proceed. Same thing goes for informed consents. I agree, submit Final. And then lastly, the financial policy, acknowledge, submit Final. One thing you may notice is that if you go to another area on the patient portal, that it's still going to say not started on the forms. It will continue to say not started unless you log out and log back in. As long as all of these are compliant, you should be able to ignore that orange alert right there. From here, we're going to go to appointments, and we're going to schedule an appointment. And as we are here for the firefighters, we're going to click right here on the top option. We're going to click continue, and then you should be presented with only one option, which should fit your particular needs depending on your fire department. Click through all of the required fields, update and enter your address if needed. And then once you're at this screen, go ahead and click search for appointments, and you'll be presented with every single available appointment for your first visit. Once you select one, go ahead and click OK, confirm, continue, and your appointment is booked. If you need to check when your appointment is after booking it, you can always log back into the patient portal, go back to the appointments tab, and you should see your appointment down on the bottom of the screen. Additionally, you may be required to complete a survey or questionnaire before your visit. To do so, enter the survey forms tab on the left and then click the one that is available to you. Once that's complete, continue, and you should be all set. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you and have a good day.